Well, the government has guidelines on pay in the public sector and on publicly funded bodies, and we want to see those guidelines complied with. The Department of Health has been undertaking a study of the levels of pay in the health service to establish if they are complying with the guidelines which have been set down by the government. That study hasn't been completed yet, and obviously we have to await the final report of it, but the government is determined to see that the guidelines that it has established for pay are fully complied with. Well, we have to see the report of the study yet, and I'm going to base my judgment on what actually comes in on the study. But let's be clear about it. We have guidelines for pay in the public sector and pay of publicly funded bodies, and we want to see those guidelines complied with.